Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.1 question 4 bit 6 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly we have in question number 4 bit 6. Now coming to the question, it is given that which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. And the given number sequence is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. So like this it keeps on continuing. Now let's see how we can solve this question. So moving to the solution. So let's see what exactly we need to do. Here we need to find out if the below list of number forms an arithmetic progression. If AP, then we need to find the common difference D and we need to also find the next 3 terms. So guys, this question is very simple. Like it is asking us to find whether the given number sequence is an AP or not. If it forms an AP, then we need to find out the next 3 terms. So for doing all these things, we need to first of all find the common difference D. Now the given number sequence 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 and so on. That means after decimal the 2 keeps on increasing with the increase in each number. So let's see. Now putting the number sequence in a tabular form. Guys, as usual, I always prefer to put the numbers in a tabular form so that it will help us to work with the numbers without confusing among themselves. Now I have created a 4 column table with 3 rows, so that because we have 4 given numbers here, so for that reason I am taking 4 columns table. Now naming first term to cell 1, second term to cell 2, third term to cell 3, fourth term to cell 4. Now giving like putting 0.2 under first term, 0.22 under second term, 0.222 under third term, then 0.2222 under fourth term. Now naming A1 to first term, A2 to second term, A3 to third term, A4 to fourth term. So guys, we are naming A1, A2, A3, A4 to make our calculations easy, or to understand what we are doing among the terms. So first term just giving A1, second term A2, third term A3 and fourth term as A4. Now let us first find the common difference D. And now we are going to find the common difference from the last term, that is A4 minus A3, that is equal to 0.2222 minus 0.222, so that is equal to 0.0002. Similarly, moving ahead, like A3 minus A2, that means third term minus second term, that is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22, that is equal to 0.002. Similarly, A2 minus A1, that is second term minus first term, that is equal to 0.22 minus 0.2, that is equal to 0.02. So guys, we could see that the common difference D is not consistent. It is changing each time. Therefore, as there are no common difference among the consecutive numbers, hence this list does not form an arithmetic progression. Now, as the number sequence is not an arithmetic progression, so finding the next 3 terms are not required. So whether it would have been an arithmetic progression, then we would have worked out to find out the next 3 terms. Hope guys you understood this calculation. If you still have any questions, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. Thank you. Bye.